Did you know that on June 18, 2024, UT Austin and South Asia Institute and ACC Radio Television Film Program joined hands together to bring a powerful workshop on migration in South Asia? Howdy y'all, my name is Shuja and I'm a full-time media faculty at ACC, and it was an amazing honor to host this session because if you are a Denzel Washington fan like me, then our highlight of our workshop was a screening of the film Mississippi Masala, a film that looks at the complexities of migration from South Asia as well as the intercommunal relations in the United States. Not only that, we had two amazing female academics fly down to Austin, Beena Sarwar of South Asia Peace Action Network and Dr. Sana Haroon of UMass Boston, and just did an amazing conversation on memories, migration, and the generational impact it has on communities. So if you missed out, don't worry, because ACC and UT South Asia Institute are going to be bringing more essential conversations on South Asia to the ACC campus. Follow our social media, stay tuned, and we hope to see you there.